Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the Killer Sudoku. The Killer Sudoku in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, June the 29th, 24. June the 29th, June the 30th. Yeah, Sunday the 30th, 2024. Yes. And in this puzzle page, we already have solved one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, the binary, and it's time for the Killer Sudoku. Yes, it's killer time. And this one will be number 8811. 8811. Yes, 8811. And we have here two given numbers. Given number 9 in this triple box of 18. That means that those two boxes together should be also a 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Given number 5 in this triple box of 15, that means that those two boxes together should be 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional with extra puzzles, then this will be a 3 stars. It's a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. Well, this one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So these 4 big squares has 1 sharing box. If what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Well, this column has 1 sharing box. Let me see here. This one has also 1 sharing box. Okay, let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 17 plus 7 is 24. Plus 10 is 34. 34 plus 9 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. In a box of 6, the combination here will be 2 plus 4. Let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 9 plus 11 is 20. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. This box should be a 3. In a box of 4, the combination will be 3 plus 1. Okay. Now, let me see. With this big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. So 15 plus 15, double 15 is 30. Plus 5 is 35. That means 45 minus 30. 45 minus 35 is a 10. Yeah, 10. These two boxes together should be 10. That means in this triple box of 18, that box should be an 8 then. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Alright, now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright, 11 plus... Wait. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 11 plus 13 is 24. Plus 20 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. This box should be a 1. In this triple box of 16, These two boxes together should be 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Alright, let me go to this big square. Oh, do this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. Alright, 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 18. 16 plus 18 is 34. 34. That means 45 minus 34 is 11. These two boxes together should be 11. 45 minus 34 is 11. Okay, in this triple box of 20, these two boxes together should be 11. That box should be a 9. 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. Okay. Now this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 8 plus 13 is 21. Plus 20 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In this triple box of 21, these two boxes together should be 17. 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. Okay, my next strategy is to... Oh, no. Look, we have one column with one sharing box. Here the same. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus another 15 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. And these two boxes together should be 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 8 is equal to 18. Let me go to this triple box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40. That means 45 minus 40 is a 5. This box should be a 5. And these two boxes together should be 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. Plus 9 is equal to 20. Okay. Well, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 17 here. Only one combination, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Here another box of 17. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. The box of 4, only one combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Let me see. The box of 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 5. 10, 9, 7. Okay. Alright. One of the missing number in this row is the number 1. Well, these three boxes can be a 1 because we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this big square. So these three boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be here. And these two boxes together should be a 9. So that box should be an 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Alright. Then there are two combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 1 and the 4 here, so it should be 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing, 4 and a 7. Okay, two numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 6. 2 and 6, let me mark those. So 2 boxes left. Box of 13 and box of 10. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 goes in the box of 13 combination 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 The 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. Okay. 8 in this column. Oh, wait. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. And the middle column, sorry, the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 goes in the box of 5, combination 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square. The box of 9, the box of 11. One of the missing number is a 5. Yeah, 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 9. Otherwise, the combination will be 4 and a 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The 4 is already used here in this big square. So the 5 cannot be in the box of 9. Should be in the box of 11. Combination 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1. 2 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. We have a box of 17. So only one combination for the box of 17. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. We have 8 in this one. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 9 goes there. There are 2 combinations for the box of 4. Oh, wait. 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 goes in the box of 14. Combination 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 goes in the box of 15. Combination will be 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 goes in the box of 14. Combination 9 and a 5, 9 and 5. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. Otherwise, I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed. So the 4 should be here. 3 goes there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 4 plus 3. In the box of 8, the combination here will be 3 plus 5. 7 and 3, we have 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. So, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6. Well, I cannot place the 2 here in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So this box should be a 6. That box should be a 2. And 1 box left in this big square for number 6. In the box of 13, combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay. One of the missing number is in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be in the box of 11. Combination 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be in the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 15. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 14. 14 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 7. Combination 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, now. No. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 9. Combination 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be in, a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 7 goes there. 4 and 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 6 goes there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 6 plus 5. In the box of 13, the combination will be 7 plus 6. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3 and a 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. We have a 1 and 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes in there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column, in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. In the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 7. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. 9 and 8, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. Alright, 1 box left now in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. These two boxes together should be a 10, so 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 5 is equal to 15. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Oh no, we already have a 1 here. Alright. 2 in this column. 2 in, 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left of the 2. Goes in the box of 5, combination 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, finished in 17 minutes. Well. I'm surprised, because I need 20 to 30 minutes, so I'm faster than 20 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars, yeah, a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.